loves, in today's reading, we will going to have POV love reading. So, pag POV love reading, kumbaga dalawa yung i-channel natin dito, your person and you. So, we'll going to find out kung ano yung situation na meron kayo. And before tayo mag-forward, I would like to invite you to follow my other social media platform. And if you feel resonated with my energy, meron po tayong mga link, mga crafts na available po sa ating shop. Yung pong ating link ay nasa description box. Okay, ready na po ba kayo? So, let's start with the POV. So, for the first pile, ikaw. So, let's see. For the first pile. Okay, so this is you. And this is your person. Ayan. So, meron ditong nahulog na extra card. Dito muna siya. Sige, dito na lang yan sa gitna. Okay, so this is your person, this is you. And this is your person, this is you. And ito yung extra card na nahulog kanina. Okay, so ano bang meron sa connection na to? Sa pagitan mo and ng person mo. Okay, let's see the situation first for this love connection. Learning. Meron ditong preferring new phase. Okay, meron ditong endings. And meron separation. Okay, so I hear na meron ditong, kung hindi pa kayo or masasabing wala pa kayo sa point na to, kung medyo nagkakalabuan, may loves dito, ascending breakup. So, meron dito new phase, pwedeng ito ay para sa inyong dalawa. So, meron ditong learning and expansion. Maaari may loves na magigain nyo yon through this breakup and endings. So, this is confirmation, my loves, na itong relationship na to is for separation na talaga. And it causes you and your person lots of sadness and bitterness. Also, nandun yung pagka-miss, my loves, kasi nga you are separated. Namimiss nyo ang isa't isa, pero my loves, ito, meron kayong mga matututunan or marami kayong marirealize during this separation. So, wala nang kasiguraduhan na yung connection ninyong dalawa. But still, yung person mo is thinking about you. They are bitter. Pwede ding ang nag-cause ng kanilang kung ano man yung naging issue sa inyong dalawa is bitterness. Nandun din yung bitterness, my loves. And dito nga sa person mo is nandun, with this person, there's a certain future. Okay? So, this reading might help you to decide kung ano na, kung kailangan i-let go mo talaga to, since na nandito na yung break up, my loves. Maaaring inisip mo yung taong to is yung forever mo na. Maaaring inisip mo na ito yung taong para sa'yo na, for union, my loves. Maaaring siya na yung bagong simula. Pero my loves, nandito may break up. So, ibig sabihin, this relationship meant for separation. Okay? So, this is confirmation na magtatranscend ka or nandun ka sa ascending period or mag-e-expand ka kung magkakaroon ng endings itong connection na to. Let's see more confirmation about this love connection. Okay, the Hermit card. So, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko yung kanina, kailangan nyo yung separation na to because of sabihin nating uncertainty, walang kasiguraduhan. And right now, ayan, sa Hermit card talaga, spirits are telling you na kailangan nyo muna talagang i-isolate ang sarili ninyo sa isa't isa, my loves. I-withdraw nyo muna yung energy, i-withdraw nyo muna yung sarili nyo dito sa taong to. So, my loves, eto ha, you are currently still in decision, pero dito, kumbaga naghihintay ka na lang ng confirmation. Kung naghihintay ka na lang ng confirmation about kung tatapusin mo na ba talaga to, I hear na yung growth mo is nakadepende dito. Tignan mo, look at the breakup, pero meron ditong 3 of Wands. So, new horizon, growth are incoming for you. So, magkaroon ka lang ng confidence, my loves. Double confirmation, then the expansion. Nandito ang expansion, and then dito din ang expansion, my loves. I hear na matutulungan ka talaga ng separation na to sa growth, sa I also hear sa pag-manifest ng another milestone, my loves. So, wag ka masyadong sabihin natin, mag-focus dito sa separation. Maaaring iyan ay blessings in disguise. Okay? Kasi, para mas favor to sa'yo. Okay. And new option, my loves. Retreat. You need to retreat talaga. So, for this love connection, nothing else kung hindi break up yung energy ngayon, my loves. Spirits are telling you, you need to have clarity and awareness about this love connection. Kailangan, my loves, kung ano man yung, sabihin natin, kung namimiss mo man yung taong to, kung masyado kang sad because of this person, my loves, clarity, choose happiness. You need to accept na kailangan talaga mangyari sa ito. Yes, inisip mo na ito is, sabihin natin, siya na, para sa kanya na, yung forever as nasa kanya na. Pero my loves, meron pang new phase, hindi pa huli ang lahat, my loves, sa'yo. Pwede, my loves, na meron pa lumitaw dito na preparing for union. Ibig sabihin, my loves, meron pang nakatadhana para sa'yo. You need to choose, and it is time to snap out of it. You need to retreat, my loves. You need a new option. Hindi siya. Okay? Hindi ang pakikipagbalikan sa kanya. Okay, so let's see. Message from this person. Ano ba yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo na hindi niya nasabi nung magkausap pa kayo? Ano ba? Or yung nung magkasama pa kayo? Ano yung message niya na gustong sabihin na hindi niya nasabi nung magkasama pa kayo? Words do hurt, my loves. Pwede nagkasakitan kayo, nasaktan mo yung taong to sa mga salita na nabitawan mo sa kanya. I'm too open to compromise. Willing naman to, my loves, kung ano yung demand mo sa kanya. Willing siya. Pero, yun nga, pwedeng, yun yung mga untold na salita ng dapat ay sinabi niya sa'yo before. So, dito naman, ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo right now? During this separation, ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa'yo during this separation? Pentacle. So, dito, my loves, may kinalaman sa pera. Itong gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo right now. So, if ever hindi kayo separated, during the separation, ito yung gusto niyang sabihin. Do you think about me? So, nakikurious to kung may care ka pa sa kanya. Pwede, my loves, na magpapansin siya sa'yo, kuhanin niya yung weakness mo. Kasi, kumbaga, nakikurious siya, may care pa talaga kaya siya sa akin. Pwede din, my loves, na mag-open to ng communication, gumawa to ng paraan para magkausap kayo. Pero, my loves, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, kung ang minamanifest mo ay another milestone, my loves, separation ang sagot. Kasi, pwede ito din ang nagiging blockages mo. Your spirit guides are telling you need to retreat from this connection. So, nandito yung messages naman ng yung 5D or yung higher self mo, my loves, na gustong sabihin sa kanya. You make me want to do the bad things. So your higher self wants the light. I hope you wait for me. My loves, parang andun pa yung, alam nyo yun, during this separation, parang andun pa yung, do you even see me that way? Parang nagpapakiramdaman kayo. Alam nyo yun, yung parang, hindi nyo kaya yung separation na to, pero kailangang mangyari. Okay? So, let's see more messages from this person. Silence. Okay, I'm sorry for my silence. I just needed a break, and now I don't know how to reach out to you again. My loves, kumbaga, pwedeng siya yung nauna na nagtaas ng pride, nagputol ng communication, pwedeng ganun, my loves, and they are afraid to let na hindi ka na bumalik, my loves. They are afraid, pero alam mo yun, kumbaga, nanahimik sila. Hindi nyo to masyadong na-i-address din, my loves. Itong kung ano may naging issue nyo, kaya napunta dito or mapupunta dito sa hiwalayan na to. So, they are telling you to trust them. They missing you, my loves. And they are finding the way to come back to you soon. But may tendency babalik. So, nasa yun, after all ng pinagdaanan nyo, and after all ng nagawa niya sa'yo, makakaya mo pa bang balikan yung taong to or patuloyin? So, ito naman yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanya. Passion. You excite me on every level. Meron ka pa rin talagang nararamdaman sa person na to. The heat is rising between us. Kumbaga, ito parang naghihintay ka ng approach ng person na to. So, my loves, yun nga, kung ikaw ay nagmamanifest ng new horizon, ng growth, my loves, and expansion, ang sagot dito is the endings of this suffering from this person. Pero yun, deep inside, love mo ito. And you are really drawn and passionate sa taong to kahit ano ang nagawa niya sa iyo, my loves. So, you decide kung sa tingin mo is healthy, kung tama pa ba? Tama pa ba na ganyan yung nararamdaman mo, my loves? So, you need to decide, my loves, kung ano yung nararapat. Kung eto, meron din dito na compromise, diba? So, kumbaga, they are willing naman. They are willing to bargain kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung demand mo. But, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, yung separation, energetically, physically, sa person na to, yun yung makakatulong sa'yo para ma-manifest lahat. So, ikaw ba? Willing ka bang i-compromise din yun? Okay, so another message from this person during this time. You were the best thing in my life. So, na-appreciate ka naman niya, my loves. Kung ano man yung mga nasabi niya sa'yo, my loves, ikaw pa rin ang pinaka naging best sa buhay niya. I can't stop thinking about you. Namimiss ka ng person na to. Pwede din, may halong guilt din ang pag-iisip niya, my loves. So, you speak to me through music. Naaalala at namimiss ka ng person na to. What are you trying to say naman dito sa person na to? I know I was a distraction from your pain. So, aminado ka. Kung nakasakit ka, o yun nga, yung true words na yun, baka aminado ka dun, my loves. I am not available. Right now, even na nandun pa rin, you still into them, pero hindi ka pa rin available na pagbigyan siya. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Okay, my loves. I see na you're high. I see that this message is for you to know na parang mas pipiliin mo yung growth. Parang mas pipiliin mo na talaga yung expansion. Kasi parang na-realize mo during this hermit period na, kumbaga, ito yung nagiging blockages sa'yo. During your hermit period, your isolation, parang dun mo na-realize na marami ka palang kayang gawin without them. Okay, so for final pull, let's see the energy. Secret admirer, someone has deeper feelings for you than they are letting on. My loves, I hear dito sa preparing union, may darating pa na iba. New beginning, a new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. So my loves, both of you ay merong nakalaan na new beginning. And eto, for our extra card, stop focusing your energy on the past events. Forgiveness, my loves. Forgiveness for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine, my loves. So dito, kung magkaroon man siya ng panibagong life without you, ganun ka din. Forgiveness pa rin, my loves. So, kailangan yung patawarin ng isa't isa. Kailangan mong magpatawad. Kailangan mong patawarin. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.